Welcome. It's Jen Healy with the AerialYogaPlay Yoga Swing, and we are going to come to you live this weekend. This is our brand new webcam, and we're going to post every single part of our AerialYogaPlay training online. It's very exciting. So I usually do share those videos as a gift on YouTube, and now what we're going to do is start making them into personalized playlists. So I'm going to record the entire training and I'm going to do it live so you can join the live stream and practice along with us. There will be an opportunity to share questions and comments during the live stream, which is also really exciting. And I just wanted to give you a little review about what we'll cover in this weekend training. So it's the AerialYogaPlay training, and I'm going to get in the swing and just come into a sumo squat as I chat with you. And this is just going to be a short clip. It's not going to be too long, but I wanted to give you a little introduction of what we're doing in the AerialYogaPlay training. We're going to work on the two major hubs of the body, the upper chest and the lower hips, lower back. So we have the upper and lower back that are going to be our two main focuses. Now in this training, we're going to take all of the poses that we just learned from the AerialYogaPlay practice, and we're going to apply them and be able to address specific needs for our students or clients. So that could be an injury, an illness, a limitation. There's going to be lots of variations and alignment principles added in to the practice. So for example, one of the things that we work on is the alignment of the spine. So finding this really deep drop of the hips and the plumb line as our chest lifts up and we keep our head in line with our body. So we find this axis, this vertical axis or pillar. That's one of the main things we're able to do with the swing as it supports us behind our back. We're able to go into really nice supported back bends where we let the chest open, and this whole entire practice is a heart opening practice. And we allow the upper thoracic spine to initiate our back bends, which just feels really, really good for releasing any tension in the lower back, especially back bends. The lower back, the lumbar spine tends to get crunched, so we keep the lower back nice and long as we really keep the hips heavy and the heart open and the head relaxed. That's our main mantra. Then we're going to go into a bunch of alignment principles about the spirals, the internal spiral that happens in the lower body and the external spiral that happens in the upper body. So that's just a little taste of what we're going to cover. We're going to go over 12 alignment principles. We're going to go over all of the different 55 therapeutic poses that we learned in AerialYogaPlay and learn how to apply